Qualities of people with Taurus Moon Sign. Individuals with a Taurus Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the earthy and stable nature of Taurus. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Taurus Moon Sign. Emotional stability. Taurus Moon individuals are known for their emotional stability and grounded nature. They have a calm and steady approach to their emotions, rarely allowing themselves to be easily swayed. Sensuality and pleasure. They have a strong connection to their senses and enjoy indulging in sensory experiences. Taurus Moon people appreciate the finer things in life and often have a deep appreciation for art, beauty, and physical comforts. Loyalty and dependability. They are fiercely loyal and dependable when it comes to their relationships. Once they form a bond, they are committed and dedicated, valuing trust and reliability in their connections. Persistence and determination. Taurus Moon individuals possess a strong sense of determination and can be quite persistent in pursuing their goals and desires. They have the stamina and patience to work steadily towards their objectives. Practicality. They have a practical and pragmatic approach to life. Taurus Moon people prefer stability and security, and they make decisions based on practical considerations rather than impulsive emotions. Strong work ethic. They are diligent and hard-working individuals who value the rewards of their efforts. Taurus Moon people are often committed to their responsibilities and have a disciplined approach to achieving success. Material comfort. Taurus Moon individuals have a strong desire for material comfort and security. They appreciate stability and enjoy creating a comfortable and nurturing environment for themselves and their loved ones. Resistance to change. They can be resistant to change and prefer a sense of predictability and routine in their lives. Taurus Moon people may find it challenging to adapt to sudden or unexpected shifts and may need time to process and adjust. Emotional sensibility. They have a strong emotional sensibility and are in touch with their feelings. Taurus Moon individuals may not openly express their emotions, but they experience them deeply and value emotional security. Love for nature. Taurus Moon people often have a strong affinity for nature and find solace and peace in natural surroundings. They may enjoy spending time outdoors and have a special connection to the earth and its elements. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.